Alrighty, going to be showing you a magnitude of things today in this video. The main purpose is to show you how to cultured stone and joint the cultured stone. First you need to parge coat and then scratch coat. We're also going to be showing you how to lay the rough block to build a neo-angle porch and how to rebar and force it in all the corners and every 3 foot on center to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now we have some of the rough in, we have the other wing wall out. You noticed all the excess rebar we put in. Everything is to be filled solid with concrete, all the CMUs in the block. Then we're going to be plastering again, and we're going to be scratch coating everything. That scratch coat is ultimately what's going to be holding the cultured stone in place. There, everything is in. All CMUs are filled. Everything is scratch coated. There's the grinder we're going to use to cut our cultured stone, and there is the Type M mortar that we're going to be mixing with sand, water, and a concrete fortifier. And now it's time to lay our stone. We start with the corners first, then we run in between. This is a bit trickier because, like I said, it's the neo angle, so we have 2 different angles we have to tie in. But once we get the whole porch run, we continue all the way in. This particular stone is a Kentucky Blend D stone, Dutch quality, and it's to be run with a running bond, and then we're going to be squeezing the joints in with a grout bag. Back to running. We run our steps first, and we take our continuation out on both wing walls so that it runs and it flows. You'll see here all the stone is now laid. Once we get it all laid like this, it's time to squeeze the joints in with a grout bag. The grout bag is Type M mortar with the concrete fortifier in the water and the mix. We run 1 pass of water through the bag before squeezing the joints in. Then we do 3 trowelfuls of cement in the bag, and then we squeeze. Here's the consistency we look for. We do not want it wet. We don't want it too stiff. We need it just right on the tackier side. We make sure we have extra cement, less sand, so it's tackier as well. Also, when laying the stone, the technique we use is to wet the backs to get any dust off, and there's fortifier in that bucket as well. Then we lay. You'll see here we're squeezing the joints in with a grout bag. We want them to ooze out just a bit, but the cement is tacky enough when I'm squeezing it through the bag that it's not smearing all over the stone. Now we let it sit. We walk away for at least an hour. We look, we feel it, we come back. It's tacky, it's stiff. We're able to shape it. We shape using a few different methods. The back of a paintbrush, our finger, or a pencil or a pen, the back of it, any of that could be used. We go through, we comb, and we shape each individual joint. After we shape, we brush with the other side of that brush. We comb everything out, and we rake it. The joints are what makes this brick look excellent, so take your time with the joints. After you brush everything, you go back with a whitewash brush and get any snots off. That's what we're doing here. And you do it all the way around. Every joint individually combed through so that it looks perfect. Then when it's done, you step away, you walk, and you double and triple check. Make sure you didn't miss any joints at all. And you see here, every joint is completely perfect. Now here's our finished look. We have our beautiful cultured stone, we have our bluestone treads, and our Techo-Block paver inlay. Everything really is brought together in this porch. So I hope you enjoyed watching today. Hope you enjoy the wet look. And now we're going to kick it over to our Princess Delaney, and she's going to tell you what to do next.
Hi, this is Princess Delaney. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.